Boys, good morning. Tony here. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Quick plug to myself. I do have a 20% off deal going on right now. So if you do have anybody that wants to join or you yourself, highly recommend you guys join the Patreon now. I only do these this is the first time I do a promotion. It's only going to last to December 7th, and then I'm not going to do anything else till the year after, right? I'll do this one time a year, and that's it. You guys know how much I like to gatekeep my indicators, right? I'm not too big on really sharing my stuff. If you want to join, cool. If you don't, you don't have to, but just letting you guys know. Lunar, somebody from YouTube actually recommended, or not recommended, but actually suggested I do some quick TA on this. So I already built out the charts, right? I already built out the channels for this. As of right now, things are still looking pretty bullish to the upside. The only way that I'd be worried about, I mean, this is the first time I really look at this, right? I don't really know what this thing is actually. So let's do this. So I see some nice, let me see some nice supports. Can you go lower? I actually do like this better. So this here. And then you have recent resistance. I'd probably say recent resistance more like a little bit lower, probably like right on the weekly there, then there, and then right there. So I'd say you have probably a couple of levels here. I wouldn't really be too worried about levels, honestly, specifically because WIF is like a very big meme coin. But the only thing that you guys really need to do, or really need to worry about before actually dropping a little bit lower, is you don't want to see any close under 2.74, right? What you're looking for is a bull candle to just completely break these levels to the upside, right? What you don't want this. Right? You don't want that. You don't want a candle that actually breaks the open of this weekly candle right here, right? Because then you're going to just drop down to 2.1. And then after that, I can almost guarantee you're going to see the next mid channel down here, right? So again, you're probably just going to do this. Let me see. There you go. So if you actually close under here, then for sure, I can see it's going down to 2.17, right? You do have some nice support here, right? On that 1.9 level, which is again the bottom of channel. But if you do end up dropping from here, I could definitely see you drop to this mid channel right here, somewhere like under $1, right? But again, so far right now, I don't see any reason for you to drop like that. I would suggest, yeah, that makes sense, right? If you run the fibs, target's going to be down here at like 1.2, right? But again, you probably wick down to that 0.97, something around this mid trend right here. And then you bounce up maybe. But as of right now, you're still looking bullish as long as you stay above this 2.74 level. And again, this is on the weekly. This is all on the weekly chart, right? So again, you can come down here, it'll go up, sideways, whatever. But as long as you don't close a weak candle, right? Like an actual weak candle under this 2.74, then I think you're gonna stay bullish, right? What you really want is you want to see some strength here, right? So you want to come down here and then push up, right? And then when you push up to here, to that level, to that 3.2, you want to close a bull candle like that, right? You want to close a bull candle that's over that level, right? And if you close over this, then you're guaranteeing another push up to like 3.8, right? And then from here, I would say that if you do hit this mid channel, you're for sure going to the top of this. So 5.3. As of right now, I would not think about longing this, honestly. Like I would really not think about longing this. The only thing that I would think about doing is if you would like to long, I would wait for you to have a bull candle close above a bear candle. And what I mean by that, right? Let's say you drop tomorrow like this, right? Let's say you do this. Right, then the next day you drop like that, something like this. I don't know, something like this. Right, and then the next day, let's say you just kind of trade sideways, right? You go like this. But then, right, let's say on Tuesday of next week, you close a candle like that, right? Let's say you close a candle like this. So you drop down, you hit support, and then you push up and you break the open of this candle, right? Which would be 2.85, right? So in any situation what you're really looking for is you want a bull candle, a strong bull candle, to close above the open of the last bear candle, right? So I would not like this one right here. You see how this one actually closed above this bear open candle, because you have that long wick, right? You have that huge wick right here. That's all bearish movement. So I would not take a long like that. You need a strong candle like this, right? It has to be a strong candle, like one of these. Like this is a strong candle, like anything like this, like a regular candle, right? That's what you're looking for, this scenario right here, right? Where you close this bull candle above this bear candle's open of 2.39 roughly, right? That's the same scenario you're looking for, right? If it does it up here, then I would say long. If it does, I would rather it come down to this bottom of this level here, and then you close above, and then you long, you catch the bottom, right? Or you long at this support, but you catch the bottom, right? This is more confirmation, right? I would rather you close a bull candle to the upside and break that open and close above the open, right? So that way you catch the bottom, you have clear stops, right, under these lows, and then you just run this all the way up to 3.2. That's probably what I would do. But as of right now, as long as you stay above 2.74, you know, you're gonna stay pretty bullish. Again, if you break it, you're gonna go lower, probably gonna go down to $2. But as long as you stay above this level, I think you're gonna keep pushing up. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.